Welcome to our lesson about inserting a part. Let's go to the Insert menu and select Part. Navigate to the part location. I'm going to select 6B and click Open. Here we specify the entities to transfer. Check here to launch the Move dialog window. And check here to break the link to the original part. I'm going to drop the part somewhere here. Lastly, let's apply some mates. We'll select this face and this face here. Coincident. Click Add. This face and this face. Coincident. And Add. Lastly, this face and this face. Also a coincident mate. And click Add. And then OK. Now let's apply a fillet bead. Select this face and this face for face set 2. We see a preview. Tangent propagation is checked. Let's click OK. And this concludes our lesson about inserting parts.